My name is Carrillo Melgarejo, and today I'm going to show you the topic that I will try to develop as a final work. The tentative title is Energy IoT Development and 5G. It's basically these final works will try to answer some questions from the development point of view, based on an IoT architecture, and trying to take advantage of the current 5G applications. And the idea is the study is to get a better understood of the current technologies that could become important enablers of energy internet. So basically the plan for this final work is based on these topics. The topics basically will be based on some definitions of energy internet of things. With these definitions, we will try to define how the energy management control loop structure will be organized, and we are going to complement this architecture, this energy internet of things architecture, with current 5G applications. In this case we are going to consider the technologies that were described in this course. It means that we will define a specific application of massive MTC, URLLC, etc. And other important topic of this work will be related to Energy IoT and 5G as enablers of energy internet. The idea is to provide some insights of how to develop an Energy IoT solution to support the definitions of energy internet. This work will be basically based on the literature review, because energy internet of things is not a new topic. It's a well-developed topic. There are a lot of references, and I will try to make a review of these references. I will also consider some standard some definitions that were done in the standard, specifically on the 3GPP release 16. It's one of the standards that are trying to define the applications of 5G in specific verticals. And the research work will be basically focusing how these 5G applications are going to be linked to this Energy IoT architecture to enable energy internet. So what do I expect to reach with this research? Basically, I like to provide high-level definitions and implications of Energy IoT development. I repeated the term development because the idea is to show some ideas of real applications of wireless communication in energy systems, specifically in this vertical and the energy systems. And I like also try to answer some questions related to how to transform the current grid into an evolved smart grid, because it should be more adaptive, more flexible, more dynamic, using as was explained during all of this course, using wireless communication. And at the end, I'd like to show the potential impact of 5G in the development of energy IoT. What I think that this topic is the best choice for me, based on the applications proposed by IoT, I can provide, as I said, useful insights to energy systems development community. It means that I suppose there are many developers who are in the energy system community. They are trying to get a better understood how to merge these industries. I'm talking about the wireless communication industry and the energy system industry. And maybe with this final work I will provide some important insights to join these different industries. It's important that, as you know, the 5G is becoming an important technology wave, especially this year. The first commercial networks are being deployed. It means that the importance of 5G applications in Energy IoT is becoming important, and it's important to understand how it's going to be done. I also like to identify potential enablers of energy internet, basically based on 5G applications. Another important thing is that I like to answer the question: is it technically possible to develop the energy internet? Maybe that will be an important question that I will try to answer with this final work. At the end, I like to talk more about the topic. I choose this topic because I have technical background in IoT applied in other verticals, not necessarily energy systems. I am trying to formalize and merge the IoT concepts and 5G applications as potential enablers of energy internet. And also because you know that there are a lot of renewable energy sources that today are changing the paradigm of the grid, because the grid is not the flow of energy will not be just in one direction anymore. Maybe it will change, it will be in both directions. So it means that the importance of applications of energy internet of things will be increased, and you know, it will be an important element in the transition towards sustainable energy, especially to obey the global climate requirements. So, and all of these concepts of the actual energy renewable source, I guess that will be well complemented with 5G applications that we will start to use in the frame of these 5 or 6 years. So this is my topic. Please, if you have some questions or some recommendations or some advices, please feel free to contact me. Here is my email.